Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo's back. I have this 2019 International HX520, and we're gonna do a quick oil change. You see some straps here, just unlock it. They have it on the other side too. Alright, and then just push this thing, and it's gonna open. Alright. Now, so this is the engine oil cap. You see it right here. I'm saying, you see the vibes. This is the driver's side. This is where you find the engine oil cap. Right? You see the vibes. I'm saying, this is the passenger side. They're gonna come down here. Insane. And that's the oil drain plug. Okay, and here come down here, that's the oil filter. I'm saying, I don't know if you did a oil change in a diesel truck, but you know, every time you replace the filter, the new one, you have to top it off with oil, so you kind of like prime it. That way you're gonna prime it. You know what I'm saying? Same basics. You know what I'm saying? So you can do this, or you can do this. Alright. It's up to you which one you want to pick. Just be careful though if it's hot. You know what I'm saying? Alright. For this, you're gonna use inch pry bar or half inch, you know what I'm saying, and do your thing. You know what I mean? And you're gonna need a big bucket though, because this thing takes like what, 11 gallons or something. So wise up. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. This is half inch, this is 1 inch. Alright, make sure if it's there. No? Okay, good. So I don't need that. I need just a half inch. Like I said earlier. There, and just turn it. Alright. Good. Now I have this bucket over there. That's where I'm gonna put the oil. This little bucket. It takes like, I don't know, but there it is, alright? Which, now let me drain it. I'll be back. Pause. Yeah. What you think? I didn't use that one though. I had to use that one. Alright. Just make sure it doesn't overflow. If it does overflow, you know what to do. Get your other bucket ready. You know what I'm saying? The baby one. But that's it. It's over. Alright, this is 2019 International HX520, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so I want to take a nap here for a minute. Then I'm going to take the filter out. And say, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to give you a real tip. When I give you a tip real quick, I just put a chain in the wrench like that, alright, and then spin it. Because sometimes, I'm saying, you just gotta improvise. You need a chain, a wrench, a pry bar. That's what I have right here, pry bar. You know what I'm saying? And then twist it, alright, and that's how it's gonna come out, alright. Alright, so now we gotta put the new oil filter right. Fill it out with the oil. In this case, it's gonna take 540 full synthetic. I'm gonna put it all the way here. I'm gonna top it off like before it touches the threads, okay, or just to here. Alright. This is the part LF 14,000, you know what I'm saying? And then, feel me? I want to top it off and then put it back. Alright? So I'm gonna need both hands to do that. Alright? Don't forget to loop this, okay? And yeah, here I go. So alright then, drain the oil, put the new oil filter. Now we're gonna put this truck takes 46 quarts, which is 11 and a half gallons. Alright, so it's gonna take this baby right here, 540. You know what I'm saying? Synthetic, heavy duty diesel. Alright, 11 and a half gallons. 11 and a half gallons. Alright.